Task libraries are just a collection of tasks and phases that you can quickly use to add to existing customer plans or when you're editing or building new templates. To build your first library, head to the Tasks Library section inside your Arrows account and create a new library. Be sure to give your library a name and a description and then hit the Create Library button. Once you've created your library, you'll be able to add phases and tasks like you're used to already inside of your templates and plans. You can add individual phases and tasks directly from this view. Or if you're editing an existing template or plan, you can also head to the menu of any phase or task and add it directly into your library. Once you've confirmed the right library, hit the Save button. From here, you can also jump quickly to your library to confirm those newly added phases and tasks. Here we can see that reports phase and all the individual tasks that were in it on our template is now added to our library. If you're adding an individual task to your library, you'll also be able to select which phase you want that task in, and the option to create a new one if needed. Once you've confirmed everything is right, hit the Save button. And again, you can jump to that library to confirm that that new phase and task was added correctly. Once you're actually ready to use the tasks or phases in that library, you'll want to change the status from draft to active. And the next time you're editing a template or working on a live customer's plan, you can quickly add a task or a phase from that library directly into that plan or template. And in a matter of seconds, you'll now see that that task is added to that live plan. So start building your own libraries now to save you and your team a tremendous amount of time when it comes to editing templates or adding tasks or phases to live customer plans.